Hello. Hi. I'm Deepica, nice to meet you. Welcome to my channel if you're new. Subscribe if you are. Thanks. Hey guys, it's Deepica, and today I am going to be showing you guys my nighttime skincare routine. I had a very long day. I had some meetings and I filmed a tutorial. I got all this makeup on. I'm gonna show you my current nighttime routine. Current. Keep that in mind. As I've said a million times, my skin journey is one that is consistently evolving. If you guys want to check out my daytime routine, I'm linking it down below. Let's just get started right now. First and foremost, today I had some lashes on. I'm gonna just peel these babies off. Got those Ardell Wispies. I reuse mine, don't judge me. And the first thing I do is use a Neutrogena wipe. I have found that my Neutrogena wipes are hands down the best in getting rid of makeup. Philosophy, and these are the only ones I ever use, but these are more affordable and they do the job. My nighttime routine, man, I used to dread it. I used to be so tired. Oh my God, when I first launched Tinted, I was just so dead. All that junk was on my face. To be honest, I used to just do this and not do extra on the eyes, but then the next day, I would still see things coming off and I would have things on my lashes and it just feels icky, especially when you're using lash glue. So I'm super obsessed with this eye makeup remover, also from Neutrogena. Wait, this isn't the Neutrogena one! Compared to Neutrogena oil-free eye makeup remover. That's how they tricked me. I thought this was it when I picked it up because I was completely out of the eye makeup remover. Wow, CVS. You playing dirty like that, making it look exactly the same. Okay. This is one of my Shiseido cottons, which I've talked about. They're just like heavenly and make cotton feel fancy. But honestly, I never used to do this. I used to be a rubber. I know, it's like sacrilegious. You're not supposed to do that. I think it was like Desi Perkins. She would just like hold it there. By the way, I stopped getting fake nails. I'm letting my little stubby fingers grow out. Deepica Mutyala. I know, it feels free, you know? Just let it soak in. Soak it. See? You think it's all off, and then this happens. Ta-da! Next up, I use cleansing oil. I used to not get the cleansing oil thing. I thought it was like a buzzword. I love that you put this on before water. Also, it just feels like I'm adding all this glow to my skin, even though I like know it's a product. I put it on my eyes too. Again, I don't know if that's the rule or not. So this one's from TATCHA, 1 to 2 steps into hands, massage onto face, rinse away with warm water. I like to use a towel. Maybe it's because, again, it just feels a little more luxurious. I don't know, but that's what I do. And then I just get it wet with some warm water. I'm literally sitting on my tippy toes just to get to the height that you guys can see me. Commitment, man. Commitment! I thought I got all my makeup off. I was wrong. I didn't. I already feel better. Depending on how dirty my face feels, I will double cleanse. My norm, I do not do that. I just use a cleansing oil. Usually my next step after the cleansing oil, depending, I will exfoliate my face. And I usually do that about once a week. I'm not like a huge exfoliator. When I was younger, I used St. Ives. I know. What's wrong with you, Deepica? Like, who uses St. Ives? What beauty expert uses St. Ives? I don't know, I grew up with it. My mom had St. Ives and oil of Olay. Comment down below if you can agree with me. That's just what I grew up with. Once a week, I will put this on from Summer Fridays. It is their overtime mask. I just take a layer and put it on my face like so. Just massaging it into my skin. It smells incredible. I know this is weird, but it reminds me of, I don't know, like one of those fall candles. A little on my neck. Also, lately, I've been doing it on my lips. Maybe it's because it tastes good and I want to eat it. I filmed a tutorial swatching lipsticks today and my lips are dry AF. I only do this once a week because you keep this mask on for 10 minutes and I'm too lazy to do that more often. I really don't think for my skin I need to exfoliate more than once a week at all. So I will see you in 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, just wash it off with warm water. Do you guys use your hands or a towelette to wash your face? I'm curious. I don't know if it's an Indian thing, so I don't want to say it's an Indian thing, but I never grew up using like a wash towel to wash my face, so maybe it's a Mama Pandu thing, a Mutyala household thing. We took baths. When I say baths, I don't mean like where you lay in a bath, like you had a bucket with water and you took it and you scooped it and you poured it on your face, and that's how I grew up. If you're with me, please comment down below. But like, wait, I have to tell this story. It's so funny. I remember the first time I took a shower like like with the shower head, I was terrified. I was at one of my friends' houses and they were Caucasian, and I was like, oh my God, I can't tell her that I don't know how to shower, because you guys, I grew up just taking baths, like with like a tub and a scooping and like pouring it on myself and then filling it up again and doing it again. So the first time I ever took a shower, it was like the first time I used a tampon. I was like terrified. I was like, what? Where's the pad? You know, like where's my bucket? It was a moment in my life. God, I'm probably the only one who went through that. Okay, moving on. This is what my skin looks like post overtime mask. Yeah, this is the thing. I used to be so lazy with my skin, and then the older I got, the more I was like, no, this is like a treat, like enjoy, relax. And I've noticed a real difference since I've cared for it in the morning and at night. So it feels really good, honestly. Okay, next up is my serum, Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. I've talked to you guys about this before. So it was like my OG serum, and then discovered a bunch of new ones, and then I did a partnership with them and it came back into my life. And they have them in like peptide form, which is like a little tiny version that's great for like travel also. And what's so good about that is that they have actually like double the concentration, and they're really good for when your skin's super tired or dry. So you can use those depending on how intense your skin needs it, you know? Now that I have my serum, I'm gonna put my under eye cream, and this is the same one that I use. It's from Estee Lauder also. It is their Advanced Night Repair Eye Supercharged Complex. And it has, I talked about this, but it has like the blue light protection in it. I'm like really trying to not sleep with my phone next to me. Is it happening? I'm like really trying. It does, you know, what all other under eye creams say they do. They like protect underneath your eye, brightens underneath the eye, hydrates is what I've really noticed when I wake up in the morning. I said this before, no eye cream is gonna be a miracle worker. They just help reduce all your issues. Like if I got dark circles, the dark circles aren't gonna forever go away magically overnight. And I use this in my daytime routine, but I also wear it at night. Again, it's between this and the TATCHA, the one with the gold flakes. Those remain the same. So when it comes down to moisturizers, the two that I've been actively using, I reach for one or the other depending on the day, is this one from DIOR. It is the Extra Plump Smooth Balm Mask. So it says mask, so in my mind I'm like, oh, it's like meant to be worn overnight because it's like super heavy. I don't know, but I always wake up with my skin feeling nice and, well, I guess plump. And then if not, I use this NEUTROGENA Hydra Boost Water Gel. Hyaluronic acid pumped into it really keeps your skin nice and hydrated. It's pumping in the hyaluronic acid, which is something you lose at starting my age. So I like to like, you know, quench my skin. I have more closer to dry skin than oily skin, so this stuff is really great too. So my like normal day-to-day are these two. If I really want to treat my skin, this is one that you've heard me talk about a lot, but this LANCOME VISIONNARE Beauty Sleep Perfector. Basically, especially after a long flight when my skin is super dehydrated, this is like a gel that I put on my face and I wake up. My skin feels so hydrated. Of course, I have some sheet masks I use. Depends on my mood. Sometimes sheet masks come off your face and it's kind of annoying, but it just depends. Between these two, by the way, let's be real, this is like a 16th of the price. It's amazing. This one's like beautiful. It looks great in my vanity, and it also makes my skin feel amazing. Honestly, I don't know the technical reasons why. It's just the two that I use right now. Then between my face masks at night, it's between these two. Again, it's my Summer Fridays. The Summer Fridays, you can use it as an under eye mask, a face mask, put it on, take it off in 10 minutes, or you can sleep in it, or you can put it on and do your makeup afterwards. Everyone always wonders, are they worth the hype? Honestly, they put in a lot of thought into these products. It's just kind of genius, and the marketing behind it is pretty smart too. Like, I almost like it when it's squeezed out more than like when it's full, which is like rare. But the two, they both give me incredible results. I don't like to wear my Summer Fridays as a primer prior to doing my makeup. I like to wear it as an overnight mask. So I always wear one of the two, and they really, you wake up and your skin feels the difference. This Lancome one is a gel. It's like wearing a protective layer over your skin and feels like you're really treating it well. I put this on my neck too. It makes your neck feel like not left out, and it feels really good. It has a scent to it, by the way. I meant to tell you guys that. This and the Lancome Genifique sheet mask, oh, so good. It's either the Lancome Genifique sheet mask for me or the Neutrogena Hydra Boost, depending if I feel like splurging or just getting like an affordable and get the job done too. You would think this was sponsored by Neutrogena, but I really use their products for skincare. Not so much makeup. I just got my brows did, and you know that feeling when you just get your brows done? It feels like so good. That's what I'm going through right now. It's the best. I always spray this Runabout Botanics spray. It just feels so good, and the jasmine fragrance. But I will say the Lancome fragrance with the pumpkin smell from the Summer Fridays and this is a lot. So, you know, just pick and choose. I'm scared to open. We're good. I feel like it's my mom's garden because it smells like jasmines and she like loves jasmines. So that is my actual final step. This is my skin before I go to bed, and I wake up and I do my morning routine, and it feels amazing. I hope you guys learned a thing or two. Just remember, everyone's skincare routine is very different. I know skincare is not the most affordable, but I'm telling you, like, the more you figure out things that work for you, it just feels good. Like, nothing feels as good as when you wake up and have your skin feel nice. It just makes you a little more confident, you know? Let me know down below any skincare products that you've discovered that are amazing for your nighttime routine. I would love to hear. This is always an evolving process, as we've talked about. Hit the little bell, subscribe to my channel, It means the world. Just please subscribe, it would be great. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye. Welcome to my face, up close and personal. Hi. My friend told me I talk really fast in my videos, so I'm going to slow it down and talk a little more soothing. I hope it helps you enjoy them. They never dry out in this patch for me. Pouch. I swear these days I can't speak. Oh my god, my skin. Yes. Okay, bye.